In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily enable order updates on your Shopee account. This feature is incredibly useful for staying in the loop with your purchases, ensuring you never miss a beat when it comes to the status of your orders. Whether you're waiting for a package to arrive or just wanting to stay organized, enabling order updates will keep you informed every step of the way. So let's dive right in and get started. First up, you'll want to navigate to your Shopee dashboard. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your Shopee account, from browsing items to checking out your shopping cart. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your username prominently displayed. Just click on it. This action will open up a drop-down menu, giving you several options related to your account settings and preferences. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on My Account. This section is essentially your personal command center on Shopee. It's where you can adjust various settings, view your order history, and manage other important account details. So, we'll be spending a moment here. As you arrive on the My Account page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of options. What you're looking for is notification settings. Click on it, which will take you to a page specifically designed for managing how and when Shopee communicates with you. This particular setting is vital if you want to stay updated on what's happening with your orders or any transactions. Now, once you're on the notification settings page, you're almost there. Scroll through and search for the option labeled Order Updates. This is the crucial setting that will allow Shopee to send you timely notifications each time there is a change in the status of your order, from shipping updates to delivery confirmations. Once you locate Order Updates, simply enable it. This is done by toggling the switch to the On position. You'll know it's activated when it changes color to green. That visual cue lets you know you've successfully turned on the notifications. And there you have it. You've now enabled order updates on your Shopee account. This straightforward but essential setup ensures you're always in the know, making your online shopping experience smoother and more efficient. Thanks for following along, and